you can see, we have been forced to the last extreme. We're being pursued by bears. They're in hot pursuit, and so we're forced to cross the remnants of the last glacier in Alaska. Now, you can see the water is extremely frigid, several degrees below freezing, likely radioactive. Jacob here has fallen no less than 8 times. Our feet are being barraged by boulders ripping across the base of this stream. If we make it across, it's a testament not to our skill, which is dwarfed by the ferocity of these elements, but by dumb luck and a willingness to sacrifice everything in pursuit of the greater good. If this is never found, we went out painfully.